Welcome to Mastering YouTube, from channel creation to live streaming success. If you're someone who dreams of building a powerful YouTube presence and growing an engaged audience, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to guide you through this exciting journey. Whether you're starting from zero or looking to level up your channel, this course has been designed to transform you into a confident and strategic YouTube creator. YouTube is not just a video platform, it's a full-time career opportunity. A place to educate, inspire, entertain, and build a global community. By the end of this course, you will be able to set up and fully optimize your YouTube channel. Plan and develop strong content strategies. Create high-quality videos with engaging storytelling. Optimize your content using professional SEO techniques. Grow your audience organically and build real engagement. Perform smooth and professional live streams. Understand monetization pathways and maximize revenue. Use YouTube analytics like a pro to scale faster. Explore automation and ideation techniques to speed up content production. You won't just learn theory, you'll learn the exact steps successful YouTubers use to grow and stand out. Who this course is for? This course is perfect for beginners who want to build a YouTube channel from scratch. Entrepreneurs and freelancers who wish to market their brand. Creators looking to upgrade their skills and content strategy. Anyone passionate about online growth and digital branding. Individuals interested in YouTube automation and smart content creation. No previous experience needed, just passion and consistency. Course breakdown. Here's what you'll be learning step by step. Channel setup and branding. Creating your channel. Designing your banner, logo, and identity. Setting up channel keywords and AMP layout. Content planning and ideation. Topic research and trending niches. Scripting and storytelling. Content calendar building. Video production basics. Camera, lighting, and audio essentials. Recording tips for high-quality videos. Beginner-friendly editing workflow. YouTube SEO and AMP publishing strategies. Keywords, titles, and thumbnails. Tags, descriptions, and metadata hacks. Upload best practices. Audience growth and community building. Engagement strategies. Comment management. Collaboration and networking. Live streaming mastery. Stream setup and tools. Engagement techniques for live viewers. Live monetization tips. Monetization and revenue streams. YouTube partner program. Affiliate marketing. Sponsorships and merchandise. Analytics and optimization. Understanding YouTube Studio. Reading performance data. Improving CTR retention and watch time. YouTube automation and scaling. Outsourcing tasks. AI tools for content creation. Efficient content pipelines. Step by step, you will grow from beginner to confident creator. YouTube rewards creativity, persistence, and passion. The world needs your voice, your ideas, your talent. With the right strategy and consistency, you can build a channel that educates, entertains, inspires, and even generates long-term income. So get ready, because this course isn't just about learning. It's about becoming a YouTuber. We will cover each and every step in this course. Let's start your journey toward YouTube success. I'll be with you every step of the way. See you inside the course. Let's create something amazing. Thank you.